Once upon a time in Namibia, I stumbled across a gold mine. Hi guys, this is your Biomed Guy. I'm in Namibia, and here on this excavation where they made space for a road, there's the most awesome different types of rocks, glitter like gold in the sun. And if you can see that, it is just awesome. All different shapes, sizes, quartz and everything combined, and it is just awesome. One would easily think it might be gold, but then it's not. But it is just the most awesome shapes and sizes. Let's see if we can get this in focus for you. There you go. You can look at this. Some are more gold like this one, and some are more silvery like this one. So any of your smart people out there knows what all these different rocks are, please let me know. It's going to be an interesting one. Thanks guys. Take care and stay safe out there.